Shenzhen Zenyer Egg Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2008. The headquarters are in Shenzhen, China. Zenyer has a wholly owned holding factory named Zenyer, Huizhou, located in Huizhou, China, with a land size of 20,000 square meters and a facility size of more than 20,000 square meters. Zenyer is an outstanding company in egg processing equipment industry in China. We have more than 150 experienced employees in China and local agents in other countries, such as in Australia, Russia, Costa Rica, Mexico, India, and so on. We provide our customers with a variety of egg processing equipment, including different capacity egg graters, egg detectors, egg washers, egg printers, egg separators, egg packing machines, and various other modular egg processing lines. As a national high-tech enterprise, we have obtained many national invention patents and utility model patents. Our factory has a ISO 90001 certificate, and our series of products have CE certificates as well. Advanced technology and strict management ensure the excellent function and quality of Zenyer products. We were listed on the new third board of the Beijing Stock Exchange in January 2015 and have been keeping a great reputation in the egg industry. Adhering the principle of the equipment promoting the development of the egg industry, Zenyer has served more than 3,000 customers and is also steadily entering into the global market. Zenyer has been highly recognized by our international clients.